Here we go, 4th graders. Today what you're going to do is learn about some domain-specific vocabulary. Your domain you're learning about today is research. So we've done a lot of research, and what you're going to look at right now is one word, which is a bibliography. That's a list of writing on a subject by an author, or it's a list of writings used by an author. So what we just did for our circuit project, our bibliography would be that source list. That's the same thing. That's the list of writings that we used to write or make the video. Database, that's information that's organized for easy use, often on a computer. Reference material is print and multimedia material people use to find information quickly and easily. Retrieval is the act of, or process of locating things that are being stored often on the computer. So information about like a baseball team's batting average would be stored in a database. Reference material examples would be like encyclopedia, dictionary, and when you type a keyword into a search engine like Google, that's retrieval. So this is what you're going to do with these words. I want you to do as many as you can in the time. What you're going to do is this. You're going to make a 4-square map. I'm going to show you an example. Okay, so you've got this. Good, my numbers aren't backwards. In the middle, you're going to write your words. You're going to pick one of these words, write it in there. Where it says number 1, you're going to draw a picture that represents the word. Number 2, you're going to write the meaning of the word in your own words. 3, you write a sentence using the word. Oh, I guess we don't need to write it in the middle here, because number 4 is going to be where you're going to write the word. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. So you can see here, picture, meaning, sentence, and the word. And then when you're done with that, do it again for another one. We'll have some paper out here for you.